Hello, all. Welcome to the session. This session is all about an important scholarship test, an academy government exam scholarship test, SSC, bank, and railways exam. You can win rewards from a pool of 25 lakhs. The test is on 20th February, and bank exam it is at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., SSC exam 2 p.m., and railways 5 p.m. Enroll now. You can use my referral code Murthy10. And what are the rewards? You can get rewards from a pool of 25 lakhs. Rank 1, a laptop. Rank 2 to 6, Samsung Galaxy. And rank 7 to 16, JBL True Wireless Earbuds. Rank 1 to 10, 100% Unacademy scholarship. You don't have to pay 100% scholarship. Rank 11 to 25, 75% Unacademy scholarship. Rank 26 to 50, 50% scholarship. Rank 51 to 100, 25% scholarship. Rank 101 to 400, 15% an academy scholarship. 300 lucky draw winners, they get 1,000 Amazon gift vouchers. So do remember to take the test on 20th Feb. It is for bank exams 10 a.m., SSC exam 2 p.m., railways 5 p.m. And do remember you can win rewards from a pool of 25 lakhs. Thank you very much.